This is a 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Got the red Brembo brake calipers with the slotted rotors, and then the Alcoa forged 20-inch rims. It's kind of a silver look with a machined center. It's got the dark window tint. Black leather with the suede insert, red stripe and the SRT embroidered in the seat back. You also have SRT there on the dash. Up top you got your sunroof as well as the front window visor. This front windshield has a crack in it, so it will be replaced. So keep in mind that visor will no longer be there, but you will get a new windshield. The back seat. Does have a dent there in the door. A couple little chips here and there. It's got a satin black spoiler with the SRT8 logo on the back. You can see the sparkle paint. It's a black paint but with a lot of sparkle in it. Lots of different hues in it. Couple little rock chips or little pieces of paint missing here on the side, real small. It's got a carbon fiber looking stripe across the hood. There's a few little gashes and scratches and dents here on this little fender slash front bumper area. That's probably the worst of anything on it. The lower front splitter got some bugs on it, but it looks pretty good. Been rubbed just a little bit on the bottom side. Clean that up though, you'll never know. No actual bad damage. Here's the little chip ding I was talking about on the door. Everything else looks pretty clean. It's got the sunroof. Couple small dents here. Power adjustable driver seat. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. It's got suede all in the door panel here. Same for the insert. A little wear and tear on the seat. Pop it in. 50,000 miles, 50,628. Automatic headlights. Little silver accents on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Steering wheel looks to be in really good condition. Has an aftermarket Alpine audio screen or double din here. Heated front seats. There's a USB port there. Let's pop the hood as well as the trunk. It has a flush mounted kicker sub. And if if you look in the photos, you'll see it, but we kind of tucked away all the wires. But this car has been pre-wired for some other audio, and not sure what it was, if it was more subs or an amp or whatnot, but behind that is a bunch of extra wires that are already done, and it appears it was done by a professional company, the stereo system, so it may have door speakers, upgraded stuff like that, I don't know. But you can see here, looks like all the work was done by them. Everything looks all stock performance-wise. It does have the keyless entry with remote engine start.